Mara na Bepela, the Mapiero Queen Mara, Home Queen Mara, now what? Now the souls are wild Queen Mara, that was just out of Menu Pocatea. Was just out of Menu Pocatea. Amoya. This one I'm going to get only as in like. Now.
My alma mater is here, elegantly dressed, as I would wish him to be. Yeah, he has shown that he is the boss of the soldiers. Yeah. Of course, don't feel shy or don't feel embarrassed, but we didn't feel so. But we are one. You know, Monsignor Roger, he celebrated us, the two of us. He says, I'm the first in charge student who have become a paramount chief. And you are the first in charge of them to become a paramount minister. When you have time, come and go and sit in the pool of his environment and have a fellowship. Yes. So, the honorable minister is my student. You know, see, so you should start fearing me. But Hafiz, the very first day we met, the bonding was there. What happened that day? So we are so friendly. Yes. My pillar, these are my financial partners. So long ago, His Excellency, this is the man who makes me take. You I eat my lunch sometimes is what we call it potato, not your dankayo. And the real well-made potato, my house that my van doesn't get empty. He's always bringing me. I don't know whether they found it there. And he happened to myself, whether he has a bad nature or a good nature, I share that nature with him. Our thoughts are the same. We want tradition, we want to work with the environment. We are all the same. For him, I love him because of that. And I acknowledge him. His chief is not around. Nobody. And his queen mother is a powerful queen mother. When you go and tell advice, tell him that this is a banker, as chief banker. His rural bank. I want to go to commercial bank. You don't go. You see what I've done for you? The kind of person I've chosen for you. Beautiful, intelligent. Happy. Nice having you. So you are welcome. We are excited to see you. I have put a lot of energy into the season. When I say putting energy into the season, it's not only something that the president will believe. We are receiving our own right. But I pray that you come. It's unfortunate you have come and look like you are hitting your head against time. And they say we should sabotage. But as I already told you inside, I thank you for the respect that you have given us. And people who are here also know. When you came here, before you became vice president, if you remember, I spoke very out of my heart, and I gave you the mantle. You yourself were so happy, you were impressed about the way we received you. That day you had a snapshot. By the grace of God, you became what you are. And I know your testimony. Before you got to the politics, when you went to first round, how you declared that the next time you are going to destroy the people, your counterpart. And it is we are going places. We thank you for so many things you have done for us, including my honest freedom and everything. But today, my people say I should impress upon you on this item. I have given a big land, donated it. They don't have it anywhere. But this chief from the poorest district, you may not know, but we have not been declared as the poorest district. Multi-dimensional poverty. So I gave that land. People are farming on it. They are going to lose their livelihood. They are already poor. Even in giving that, we expect that you will use the land for what it's supposed to be used for. The reason that we did it was because of Oku. The volatility of Oku. I sit here, I know the people who have been killed, who have been struggling in that room. They are all our brothers. Army officers are gone, lawyers have gone through that, other important people. It is for us to all do whatever we do to bring them. And so when it was explained to me that they want to make that place so that they can prevent those war there and the terrorists, because this is a very fertile ground for them. In Baku or Busasis and this place, they are fighting. They will jump in, and when they come in, so for that matter, I'm giving to them. On top of giving that to them, they didn't have accommodation to start. I've been in my hotel, I'm using with my guests. Use it to accommodate them as a start. I requested for a house here, use it to start. No focal charge. And then now they are thinking that they will rent it. And even as they are saying they will rent it, they will not take no pay. You have no money. The place must be developed. It is for customs, it is for police, it is for all the security agencies. If my chief inspector is here, he trained recently. They are the first bar, and they have just left. He left with fire service, he left with the prison officers and others. The commander, the regional commander, you will love him. You will love him. That man carries rocks and climb hills to build the boost with the people. So if we could take note of that and give them a helping hand, I'm happy that former teacher minister is here to remind you and to go back to his home and talk to them. But I made also a request, and then what approached me for that request. Adam's government is part of our corporate, and we are going to receive police. Police are roaming about here, and we don't have actually the problem. So you look at our poverty, it's statistical department, it is their research, it's their census that have said we are the poorest. We should do something for us, especially being one of us. Being one of us. That's why I sent a list of people I want to recruit into this service. I had already told them, and the minister was there. And I'm doing the list to Uma. Uma is a son of this house. It's a son of this house. Check with him. And then the one we are thanking him for our health. In the multi-dimensional poverty, health is one of them. One of the dimensions. Poor health. We don't have what we don't have the facilities. We are districts that are district hospital. And the only came as an answered prayer. But the people who are handling the government, you need to intervene. Dr. Harvey said when he heard it, he was so angry, but I don't know why the anger has vanished. Dr. Harvey, you are angry with our government, but the anger has been evaporated. But that's what I'm telling you. I don't think they have gone out to 60%. You have to help us. It's not that money, you have to release money, we know. But if people are not handling that, then I would want to say, I'm in my own capacity. Look at the poverty of our people, and I'm walking around offices. My schoolmate, he has seen me in the office before. He didn't know me, and I didn't introduce myself. But he received me with the greatest respect. I don't go to the office to beg for money. That is not my idea. But I come because of this. And they know it. Have you not heard of it? So, help me give them abundance. That is why St. John, I received St. John during the trip planting, and he is a friend to my brother. St. John was so surprised that the Paramount chief of Macariva is here standing with students who have come and now looking for this in my people. So he told them, Nana we Niobibia Munyaman. And because of that, you can testify. I believe that this district has been more of tree planted than any district, including Nana Kubado's district. It was a favor that acted it to me. I want to encourage all of you that if I can look down upon my tutors, they know how I know tutors. I don't go out of my door. I sit here all day long. So if I come to your offices, It is a two jumping in the hot sun. I want to come to see you. So, Guma will see you, call Guma, and he will show you. Then also, I negotiated. I showed you an honorary Queen Mother's statue. That is former president, ambassador of French. I managed to negotiate with him to give me chairs for my school here. It's a school that don't have chairs and tables. The people are lying on their stomachs. So I got chairs for them. Then I also negotiated with her, and she sponsored a number of people for national health. I want to plead with you to help in that regard. There are already laws that allow certain people to have it free. But if the instruction doesn't come down, they sit on those rules and they don't even know those rules. And if you can capitalize on that, and if you can add more to help my poor people from the poorest district. It's embarrassing, but I have to say it. The elephants. We have elephants here that disturb us. And we don't get any benefit from them. They destroy our crops. They interfere with markets. We can just be in the Belungo market and they will arrive. And because we don't know their heart, we have to move away. They can come and block the road. You can't pass to Boko. Should we not make use of such a great resource? Is it not enough that we should get tourists to come and make use of it and have the economy of this country? I want to encourage you that you do that. Apart from that, we have other tourist sites. We have 2 crocodile and fish sanctuaries. One is in Tudongo, one is in Angola. We want another side. I want to connect them. But if you do this for us, it will be well connected and a very busy place. So I want you to take note of that. There is something I wish I could tell out of my heart. But I cannot see, and nobody should be offended, that the NPP here, they are now gaining wisdom. The wisdom they didn't have at some time. This is a swing constituency. And they only need a bit of improvement in their attitude. They reject people too early. We know what is happening in US. Blue constituencies have changed. You can only change, especially when this constituency is for 2 parties, not only 1 party. But you discriminate too early and too much. It's not the best. But I can see the wisdom. It has increased so much in all of you. Formerly, Sherman would not cheat me, even though he owes me a lot of case. But now, Sherman know how to handle himself. And for you, have told them all. You have been taking care of me, you do so much. No, this man don't do with you. This man, please, Carolyn, talk to the remind president when he comes and you add him to Dinapo. God bless you. Thank you for giving me hearing. I know the sacrifice. You have given me that opportunity.
Amen.
And they are saying, Pelungu Road is terrible, terrible. And the food is coming from that place. So you should, when you give too many, they will throw one away.
Hospital 2016 NDC that contain in secondary school. But yeah, Papa Benjamin Agenda Hospital. Bami Hospital and Zandi Belgo. So you can. Omiyeli kama titena bayi no ahin beti na sorma. Tiribo tete NDC la kala ela. So no beti tena la te ingela NDC. So timbore no bate la te vote cha. Kabote Dr. Mahmoud Omia. La kala na kala beli la yimbe te regional zawe tam no ngaba ahin. Tiribi ngo to soma. So la te zang jambom na kala tete la yam la te zanga. Also, after year, Environmental Protection Agency, the Forestry Commission, the Ministry of Agriculture, Bori, in Eastern Corridor Game Reserve, water, Nibenia, Kasumi, GNT, Canopy, and Insumatete. So, Lambelania, security lame, really, Sojanam, pull the time in training, the book, terrorists, and down here. It's a Sonam box up. So last year, I'm gonna get so the past year, I'm all just Kalio Rambo. So category the make the Bomia, I'm going to la or Paul Bomia or Pumpola. On you to a Mampuri, one to a Mampurantis and walk, I hear you to us with me. Because I'm other than Taco
All protocol observed. We have wasted a lot of time here. Now, the Mupelo Pa so now, ni on a biwa ye yellow giga kati zi kakwame tiba Dr. Mahmoud Bawomia zinited pela yami yim data pela na data na zana mempale yele MPP ba yimam yim zen tidi governor namla kandata na mempale na nalawa tiba Dr. Mahmoud Bawomia 2024 Ghana enable vote on what Ghana president. No. Allah, yalabaya membira. Bawa di ngani zikalawa. Ah? Ma yesema boto zona. Kama boyi boto zona. Tibigo wala, tiba wala. We have no excuse not to vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawomia. We cannot afford to lose Dr. Mahmoud Bawomia 2024. So, Mana, my yesema, Mahawala, Dr. Wala, Chasuma, Dr. Wala. Ito Seza Wala, Ivotem, Kabote Dr. Mahmoud Bawomia, Mami on in the world today. Come to your Now, Tiba, it is an involvement. Now, in that be very involvement. Now, Tima, Queen Mothers, Bambi de Nuala. Queen Mothers. The info, Kadia, Tiba, 2024. So, Kayele, did you vote for Ghana president? Ka December 2024, Kanam, Kadama, Dr. Mahmoud Bawomia. na Zuhurdori Adama Wa'aba